I would like to congratulate AISECT group for organizing the World Skill Youth Day. And it's a privilege to receive their invitation and attend this program. And the program was very fruitful, as different industries experts have participated in this program, and in how to give more opportunities and develop our youth and give them a better, bright future. We have discussed a lot of things. The organizations had written down all the valid points, and we are expecting that step by step in coming times the actions will be taken to give good and relevant actions we can take to give good future to our youth. And we are planning to interact in regular interval for a fruitful discussion